Hey, Mitch, we got our first prison rules competitor. Ooh, we're moving already. Let's show. Is there any early Bronco fans out there in the crowd? Come on. Do you guys think an early Bronco's going to win this, or is it going to be a 6G, Mitch? What's your guess?
I've always had money on the classic Broncos.
Ooh, we got a tire in the air, folks. Look at him. Look at him go.
Again, this is where prison rules gets fun, everybody. You do not have to keep contact with anything.
He's doing okay.
You can float up the ramp if possible.
Careful.
Getting a little wobbly.
You want a winch? We're going to go ahead and hook a winch up just for safety. That is an option. We don't want him to roll it. But this man is putting a show on for you guys. This is the first Bronco, Mitch.
I love it.
These boys and gals in Tennessee know how to party. Give us a second. We'll get this winch. Hey, if you guys can't see us or hear us in line, you better be ready to put a show on.
Now, just so you guys know, the winch is not tight. It's just to take. Oh, he's getting to the top.
Oh, hold on. Let's.
What's the driver's name?
Hey, come on, make some noise.
Let's go, make some noise.
Show some appreciation.
You want to tighten that up a little bit? Or?
As of right now, we have 2 tires in contact with the ramp. I guess technically 3, but gosh dang.
We got 2 tires off the ground. We're going to take this measurement. The driver just said he is good. What a way to start this, guys.
Everybody hold your breath, including the driver. 121.5? 121.5, 121.5. Your new top score, everybody!